Hey guys, how's it going? So yesterday I did a test experiment, something that I've never seen done before, in trying to get the bed of this sawmill level. If you watched the video, I put some shims under this. I leveled the rails first, and then I went back and leveled all of the bunks. So I knew that the rail was perfectly level sideways, front to back, and then I went and leveled the bunks accordingly. It's an interesting video, maybe one you want, but I'm really not going to know until I get into a log. And so I've put this walnut log up here. It's 11 inches at the pretty uniform, as far as I think it's a little bit less here on the small end. About 10.5. So with a 10-inch diameter log, should get a cant of 7.1 inches. I'm not really interested too much it's not the size of the cant that I'm going for here. I want to see a good square cant. So proof's in the pudding. It's 8'10". It'll make some nice boards. But the main thing is I want to see a nice cant. I want to see that this bed is level. I pondered on it a little bit last night. I still don't understand why I had to do what I had to do to get things level, but I did what I did, and just see what we got. All right, let's get this fired up. something here. If all things are equal, and this thing's cutting flat and true, this cant here ought to be, I'm going to use the phrase square, although it's a rectangle. It's to be the same distance from here to here, which is 9. Then it should be the same distance from here to here. 9. Check the other end. That's 8 15/16. 9 1/6. So that's just 1/8 of an inch different. I guess I assumed the blade could have ridden up or down that much. I don't know. I'm going to leave that as it is because that's got pith in it, and if I cut anything at all, it's just going to be a mess out of that. And maybe that will dry up nicely and might make a mantelpiece or something. I don't know. But it might make something. My humble opinion, this would be an excellent time to see how the fix that I did on the bed yesterday, how it works out. I've got this 8-foot straight edge that I use, and there's a knot right there, so I mean, yeah, it's got 1/8 of an inch right there, but that's because of that knot. Change the course of things. So that's acceptable. Let's see how it is this way. That, my friend, is it's not absolutely table saw perfect, but it's not bad. All right, let's check and see how square we are here. Just out of curiosity, 6 3/4, 6 3/4 on that way, and 6 5/8, almost 13/16. So that's a 6 within a 1/16 of an inch. I'm assuming a rough solid lumber that's within tolerances. Here I've got 6 7/16. And here I've got 6 7/16. So that's perfectly square. That ain't bad. May not have it all in perfection, but I'm going to tell you, compared to where it was, it absolutely felt perfect to me. And made some pretty boards, good dimensions. Right. What do you think, guys? Let me flip it over and clean the sawdust off the other side. Conclusion. The only thing I can think of, it's not a welded frame. It's not a unibody, easy for me to say, welded frame. It does have bolts. The bunks are machined, bent, folded, manufactured. Tolerances, I assume, are really close on that. There could be some I don't know if there could be any twist in it or not. I don't see how. Either way, I feel like we've got it now. So that's what I got out of that walnut log.